7 more hiking accessories I bought from TEMU in 2024.
Number 1.
The solar charger boasts an impressive 27,000 mAh capacity, ensuring that you stay powered up during your outdoor adventures. With the ability to provide 7 to 8 charges for a phone or 3 to 4 charges for tablets, this power bank ensures you stay connected when it matters most. Say goodbye to long charging times and enjoy the efficiency of rapid charging on your outdoor expeditions. Unleash the power of solar energy with the 4 high-performance solar panels. Designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, this solar battery bank is equipped with a bright LED flashlight for emergency. The foldable solar panels make it easy to carry on your backpack, ensuring you have a reliable power source wherever your outdoor activities lead.
Number 2.
Men's tactical cargo pants, waterproof multi-pocket outdoor trousers. For hiking, camping, and mountaineering, made from polyester fabric, providing an efficient, breathable, and lightweight bottom for optimum comfort. These pants are dirt, stain, and soil resistant for a quality that lasts. It's also integrated with zippers and snaps, adding guaranteed reliability to the apparel. Featuring self-adjusting waistband, fully gusseted crotch, and articulated knees, these men's pants will surely secure fitting while looking great and keeping maximum mobility. Tailored with multi-pockets, including double-deep cargo pockets and front pockets sized for items, keeping your hunting, tactical gear, and small personal valuables ready and handy. Designed to meet dress code and functionality requirements with bar tacking at major seams and stress points, these pants ensure lightweight feel while keeping you comfortable and protected.
Number 3.
Outdoor mosquito head mesh nets. Stay protected, on the go. Putting the fun back in function. Nothing spoils a summer get-together like mosquitoes bugging the heck out of you. Our mosquito head net is the simple solution against that annoying problem. You'll be laughing your way outside, and your friends green with envy, knowing that nasty critters are kept at bay by the fine no-see-em mesh. Flick 'em, and enjoy the rest of the day unharmed. The fully adjustable drawstring allows you to enclose your head cover to keep away from critters.
Number 4.
Waterproof hooded rain poncho for outdoor activities. Packable raincoat jacket with pocket. This rain poncho is made from lightweight yet durable and rip-resistant polyester material. Seams are sealed with waterproof backing material to guarantee no rain will leak from them. Each corner is reinforced and comes with a grommet. Quality buttons along the side are added to help in windy weather. Unlike traditional raincoat or rainsuit, the rain ponchos for adults are made practical. It can be used flat on the ground as a camping tarp. The grommets on each corner can be used to set it up as an emergency shelter or cover the goods such as backpacks or other camping gear. One size fits most.
Number 5.
Outdoor cooking set for 1-2 people. Explore the outdoors with our non-stick pot and pan set. The foldable pot handles are equipped with anti-slip and anti-heat properties, ensuring a secure grip and protection against injuries during use. Durable camp stove. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy and stainless steel, our camp stove is built to withstand high temperatures and weight. The compact, collapsible design and included carrying case.
Number 6.
Functional travel bottle organizer features. Made of high-quality nylon, waterproof and wear-resistant. It is an essential tool for outdoor activities. The craftsmanship of this water bottle bag is exquisite, and the stitching is durable, which increases the service life of the bag. The water bottle bag is suitable for various water bottles with a capacity of 0.3 litres to 0.85 litres. The strap can be adjusted. Moller system. The tactical water bottle bag is easy to connect with other moller equipment, easy to reinforce. This bottle is light and portable. It is a necessity for you to go out hiking, camping and trekking.
Number 7.
This is a brand new and high-quality pruning saw offering easy and quick cuts for bushes, branches, tree, wood, bone, and so on. Triple edges cutting teeth quenching hardened to stay sharp for smooth, fast sawing equipped with secure lock switch on saw handle to avoid injury. Press the secure lock to open or fold the saw. Ergonomic comfortable handle with non-slip soft handles for maximum comfort and sturdy feel while cutting and sawing. Foldable compact lightweight design. Convenient hanging hole for easy to carry and storage.
I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.